Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question what you can do or how to order the GoPro 10 Hero or Hero 10 Black, so you are not caught in a subscription which is difficult to cancel, or you maybe forget to cancel. I've already ordered it because it's an extreme discount. I mean, you get the camera with the battery charger, I guess, and the 32 gigabytes of storage, and it includes the 1-year subscription, which is actually not a bad thing. It also includes some kind of protection. If the camera gets damaged, you can get 2 times replacement within this 1 year. It's probably based on the subscription, so you don't want to miss that and you don't want to cancel that. I mean, when you get the confirmation, you can open the account, and then this gives you the possibility to get replacement 2 times a year if the camera gets damaged. So you definitely don't want to just drop this thing. I mean, you could, after you set up the account on GoPro, after you buy this and you set up the account, you can go to the account and cancel immediately the subscription, but you don't know what it cancels then. Does it maybe cancel the free cloud? Does it maybe cancel this very nice option to get replacement of the camera during this year? So most people probably don't want to just cancel immediately, and I've also been in this situation. So what I did, I bought this here with PayPal, and the PayPal is then also valid as a payment for the subscription, and so you can keep your subscription running. You just go to paypal.com, your account, and you go to active payments and you cancel that. I've already done this, I can't show you that anymore, but anyway, I guess you know how this works. You will see in the active payments, you will find the GoPro payment, and then you can click on cancel, and GoPro won't even notice that. They will only notice that like in a year when they want to deduct the next $50 for the next year. But since it's not a real contract or so, there's nothing they can do. They will just stop the subscription and it's done. They won't send somebody to collect this $50 or so. Of course, it's recommended to maybe like 1 week before it ends, go to the account and cancel it there as an additional measure. But apart from that, I would say the PayPal is the best option if you want to buy this, and I think it's a really good value. It's an awesome value. I mean, the standard GoPro price is still $4.99, so $3.49 with the 1-year subscription is really nice option. And it's also important that you buy the GoPro in the right year, so 2021. I mean, the edition 10 Black, that's a very good edition because it's an upgraded CPU. The last good choice was the version 7, I think about 3 years ago, and now you can skip the next 2 years again. So I can highly recommend to buy the thing, but make sure that you are using the PayPal and then cancel immediately the active payment option there. That's my advice, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.